This video is what I'm putting on to try and explain where I think free energy comes from, as best I can and as I understand. This is not your classical science. This is more science, let's say Tesla or other geniuses of his type seem to be driving at. Energy is pouring into the universe. The universe is expanding at an increasing rate. No one has explained to me why the universe expansion is accelerating. I have to assume, as I think logic would dictate, that energy is pouring into the universe, and that is causing the increase in the expansion rate. Now, the universe and everything in it is electromagnetic. Physical matter is made up of wave particles. That's what quantum mechanics talks about. And at the upper dimensions or upper structures of the universe, the galaxies and stars, those can be understood and studied, and their shapes and forms can be predicted as electromagnetic discharges in a plasma. This is well explained in a video called "Thunderbolts of the Gods." There will be a link to that. Now, I'm not the only person who, and there are plenty of other people who have talked about free energy. Joseph Newman is not the first person either. In an older video, the guy by the name of William Lyne explains that free energy devices, or some free energy devices, most notably a hydrogen arc welders, were super efficient. They would use a spark to split hydrogen from H2 to HH, and when the hydrogen atoms came back together, they would release more energy than was used to split them apart. He explained that was because some of the energy used to split them apart not only came from the electric arc, or the energy used to create the electric arc, but once the arc was created, starlight energy, or energy from the stars or from galaxies, which constantly travels through the air all around us all the time, would also enter that spark and would be used to split hydrogen atoms. So that's another source, another person who says that free energy is somehow extracted when a spark is created. Now, other free energy devices, there are several types, but there are several that use sparks. And the video that I just mentioned about the hydrogen arc welder, I will put a link to that video on the right, and I will also put a link of a video to another free energy generator that someone made in Australia, and camera's got a good look at it, good close look at it. You can see it running, and you can notice some definite sparks. So obviously this inventor thought it was important to have sparks in his free energy device. Now, plasma. Plasma is a form of matter that has extra electrons and is very good at conducting electricity, or is very good at conducting electricity on this, when we work with metals or gases on this planet, we say it has extra electrons. So that spark is a buildup of electrons that jump across the gap, and that jump of extra electrons is a plasma, and once that plasma is created, it becomes a gateway for free energy, which is all around us all the time, to also flow into that battery or wherever else that spark happens to be going. So that's where free energy comes from, as best I can explain. I know I'm kind of rambling. Maybe I'll make another video, but thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can put a link or post your comments. Take care. Be sure to visit all the links I will have to the right. Thanks. Bye.